Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today it's spring, it's blooming in Pittsburgh, and we're here in North Park to check out the cherry trees as part of the Pittsburgh Sakura project. The Japanese community kindly donated cherry blossom trees throughout the park. They chose North Park for its location and because it reminded them of home of Japan. North Park has lakes and pine trees very similar to Japan, so they kindly donated all different kinds of varieties. There's about 5 or 6 different cherry blossom varieties. We're going to go check them all out. Cherry trees bloom at different times throughout spring. There is an early, middle, and late spring, and they all have different varieties of coloring, from white to pink and white, and they also including a willow cherry blossom, and they're just blooming, so you got to come down and check them out before all the blooms are knocked off the tree with a storm or wind. So bring your lunch and picnic and enjoy the scenery. So let's get going. Today, and a crane just flew over. You get a lot of wildlife here in addition to the cherry blossom trees, so please come down and check it out. Go. Up here is the autumnalis cherry trees, so we're going to head over there and check them out. They're beside the boathouse where people come up here to eat. Over here are the autumnalis, and they're very, very pretty trees. This is the accolade grove, and the very bright pink. Over by the willow grove, there's the Sakura project map, and it shows all the trees that they put in. They put in over 264 cherry trees, and it has a list of the varieties here. So make sure you check out the map. We're here about right here by the weeping willows. They do have Ultima, snow goose, Akami, which is already starting to lose their blossoms, Accolade, Yoshino was a really bright cherry, and we're going to go over to Akibano and Accolades to see those next. So they all come in for different times. They also have snow goose varieties, so make sure you check them out and check out the map. People young and old come over to enjoy the trees. These are the willow trees. And people taking picnics. These beautiful trees. picnic, enjoy the lake. There's a lot of activities you can do in North Park, kayaking, running. They have a dog park, and in the winter, ice skating. And this is really special to see the cherry trees out here. Thank you, the Pittsburgh Sakura Project, for donating the trees. They're just fabulous. So we look forward to seeing them every spring. So come on down and enjoy the spring blossoms. So some of the blossoms are already blown off the trees, like this one is starting to lose blossoms. So you got to get down here really fast. And they're beautiful. We absolutely love them. And I hope you enjoy them too. So don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button and ring the bell so you'll be notified when my next video is up. And we'll see you next time. Bye!